Hi, I'm Michelle Hale. I'm the Business Development Manager here at PI for Oklahoma. We're modernizing small business insurance by automating an entire coverage experience, starting with workers' compensation. PI combines innovative technology, industry expertise, and personalized service to provide small business and the partner agencies who serve them with simple, trusted, and affordable coverage in 36 states plus DC. I know some of you might think of InsurTech as a bad word, but in reality, it is a game changer for your business. By living at the intersection of technology, data, and insurance, PI is able to offer coverage to nearly 70% of the class codes, so you don't have to shop your small business clients around to as many markets, saving you time and your clients up to 30%. We introduced our new partner portal just a few months ago. In the portal, you can review our broad appetite, submit your clients for coverage, and currently we're auto-deciding 73% of the class codes, so you don't have to wait for a response. You can check on a submission status, and you can even start the bind process on a policy all in the same place. So let me show you how it works. We have an appetite checker built right in, so you just go in, select your state. You can search by keyword or the class code itself. Once you check the eligibility, it's going to tell you what our minimum payrolls are, if there's a minimum number of years of work comp required, and whether or not it's eligible. It's also going to give you this list of questions that you can go ahead and send to your insured so that they can answer those before you get started. So let's get started. Get a quote. Going to select a date in the future, put in the zip code and the name, entity, FEIN or EIN. Tell us whether or not you've got multiple locations, and then hit next. Tell us whether or not you want the officers included or excluded. Select your class code. Tell us the number of employees, full and part-time, and then your payroll. You can put up to 10 class codes. If you know the experience mod, please go ahead and tell us. We're going to ask you for the number of years that the insured has had prior workers' compensation coverage. So more than 3 years. Have they had any losses, yes or no? If you selected yes, you just tell us simply how many they'd had. And then here's our generic questions. You're going to run through these and only check the ones that actually apply to this risk. If none apply, you're going to check none apply. And then we're going to get into the class-specific questions. Then you're going to tell us what liability limit you need. You're going to upload any of your files, whether that be accords, loss runs, and if you have the eMod, that's a big help. You're going to tell us when you need the quote by and where your pricing needs to be. You're going to get one last chance to check your quote, and you can pick any of these edits and edit anything. If in case, like me, sometimes you fat finger things, you can go back in and change this. So it's one last quick check, and then you're going to submit to PI. As you can see, you've got an instant quote on this one. Now you can actually download the proposal, view it. You actually have everything you need here. Since it's an instant quote, you're good to go, and you can actually send this quote on to your insured. Once you're ready to bind, you can actually start the bind process here online. You're going to confirm the FEIN, tell us which payment plan you want to use, and then you're going to start filling in the information here. And that's how we make it easy as pie. Come join us.